Hi, I'm Rafael Mendez with Beyond Commercial.
Hi, I'm Nicole Young with Beyond Commercial. So Rafael, what property are we talking about today?
Today, Nicole, we have the opportunity to talk about 641 North Rio Grande in Orlando, Florida.
And what do you like most about this property?
So this property, to me, what stands out is, number one, it's the location. Its proximity to downtown and all the major roads to commute, whether it's I-4, Colonial, 408. And secondly, that it fits an array of uses for an end user.
So who would this property be most ideal for?
Ideally, this would be more for a professional office user. It can also cater to the needs of a medical office. So if you're a pediatrics office or if you are an attorney's office, accountant's office, these would be ideal for you.
And tell us about the specifics of this building.
Great question. So this building is 2,375 square feet. It features 7 offices, a large conference room, kitchenette, reception area, and it also features 6 to 8 parking spots on the property, and you also have street parking across the street from the property.
That's amazing. And what's the asking price?
The asking price for this property is $510,000. So if you're interested, feel free to give us a call today. Don't delay.